how to private your My Day or stories on Facebook and Messenger. Before I start, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell for more videos. Thanks for your time, and don't forget my YouTube channel, Mr. Z1 Vlog Type. Here, click Facebook. Before that, update your Facebook app. How to update, please follow me. Click Play Store, click here. Next, click search box and type F and click search OK. If you're done updating your F, click open. Next, click hamburger menu or 3 lines and click here. Next, scroll down and find settings and privacy and click here. Next, click here settings. Next, scroll down and find stories and click here. Next, find the story, privacy, and click here. Here is the option to private your stories in My Day on your Facebook or Messenger. Select the friends so that only they can see your story in My Day. When you make your choice public, anyone who isn't your friend or acquaintance can see your My Day. So choose friends so that only our friends can see our story. Congratulations, now back to your home, and I'm done. Thanks for your watching. Before I done, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell for more videos. Bye bye.